Well, as you can hear, ladies and gentlemen, it's pouring down rain and thundering and lightning, and it's very, very frightening. And I'm just looking around for leaks in the caravan and hoping I don't get struck by lightning. Anyway, I'm cooking cream corn. Where's the can? Where's the can? It's in the sink. I'm cooking cream corn just in case. That's what you do when it's pouring down rain and thunder and lightning and very, very frightening. That's the wardrobe. Yes, this is inside the caravan, and so far I've been able to fix all the leaks. It doesn't seem to be any of the leaks that were happening before happening again, but we have some new ones. They're over there. There's a couple little ones there, and I marked them with a texter. The old texter. And we're going to attend to them as soon as it stops raining. Let's go have a little wander outside and I'll show you what it's like. Goodness me. It's very wet out here. Oh goodness. Oh, look at this. Oy. Yes, very frightening. Anyway, that's enough of that. We'll go back into the safety of the caravan. Whoa! Holy diddly! Woo! It's exciting. Anyway, if you find that I've a little charred black thing in the whole of the burnt out caravan, that was me. Alright. Well, I'm going to cook cream corn. See ya later. Bye.